Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. Ryan, aka BloodShot Airbrushing, and I am here today accepting another challenge that's been tossed out online, guys. Brendan Burchard of Experts Academy has thrown out a challenge to all of us creators worldwide, guys. Create a video telling your viewers 5 ways to succeed at whatever you're doing. Guess what, guys? 5 ways to succeed at airbrushing, and 1 way most people believe that you need, but it'll get you nowhere. So guys, I bring to you 5 ways to succeed at airbrushing, guys, and this isn't rocket science. I've said it before. It is a skill set. Put in the time, put in the hours, and you can master it. Anybody can. And that gets me to my first point, guys. Number 1, what is essential to being an airbrush artist? Drive, guys. Passion. If you don't have the drive, if you don't have the passion, what's gonna put you in those wee hours of the morning, working when everybody else is sleeping, trying to perfect your skill, trying to hone something that you've never done before? Time, guys. You gotta put in that time. You do it, and you will reap the rewards. Living proof. Alright, guys, and number 2, alright? And this one is just as important as the drive, guys. And hopefully, like me, you were dropped on your head a few times as a child, and you're not quite functioning correctly upstairs. Catching my drift? Alright, guys, imagination. Imagination is essential. And this is one of those things, guys, where it can be developed. Alright, so if you're not fortunate like me to be banged on the head a few times to get those brain cells scrambled, you can fake it till you make it, guys. There are so many talented artists who have done multitude of projects, who have posted their projects for all to see. Don't copy. Copying is lame. But embellish, guys. Take their idea, make it your own. Make it better. And what is better but a personal opinion, guys? So if you think it's better, ta-da! Alright, guys, so number 2, imagination, creativity. You must be creative, and you can build on that, guys. Start somewhere, alright? Start somewhere. And that will bring me to number 3, guys. Woohoo! What do you think it could be, guys? My airbrush wielding warriors? My BloodShot army? Attention! That is right, guys. Attention. It's not hard, guys. This is the difference from the guys who were painting a live subject, because that's the only reference available, to the guys who are now using tablets to zoom in to get maximum detail. And this is it, guys. This is why you can look at artists of today and put them next to artists of 2 decades ago, and you will see the realism. The attention to detail has been expanded to where you cannot tell if some of these pictures are painted or if they are photographs. And guys, this is it. Pay attention to those little tiny details. Alright? That is what is going to make any project sing. And if you're struggling and you're not liking where your piece is gone, take another look at it. See where you missed the details, guys, because that is where it is all based. Alright? It all comes from the one place. Alright? And if you're taking something out of your brain box and you're putting it on paper, the more details you give that drawing, the better you're going to be, guys. So expand. Push yourself to do something different. Create. Alright, my warriors. You can do her. I know you can. Alright guys, number 4, and this one is kind of a bore. Alright guys, let's be real. Honesty, alright? Be honest with yourself. And this isn't just for airbrushing, this comes down to every facet of your life. If you want to improve, be honest with yourself. Don't look at your piece of art, don't look at your life and say, it's perfect. Perfection does not exist. Trust me, it does not exist. Alright guys? Be honest with yourself. Find the mistakes in your artwork and tweak them. Keep tweaking them, guys. And this works out to every facet in your life, guys. Find your weaknesses and improve them, guys. That's the only way to grow. That's the only way to make yourself better. Be honest, all right? Integrity, all right? And if you don't have that with yourself, you can't have that with people around you. Your clients won't believe in you. Believe in yourself, guys. Be honest. You can do it. And if you're struggling and you're like, I just don't know what's wrong with this piece, ask others, guys, and ask them to be honest. Say, don't sugarcoat it. I can take it. Give me your best advice on how to make this better, guys. And that is trailing into number 5, guys. And this is a way to boost any business, any idea, any skill. Find yourself a mentor, guys. Find somebody who's already done what you're trying to do. All right? They've gone through the process. They've made the mistakes. They can save you a lot of time and a lot of hassle if you listen to them, ask them questions, follow their insights. Now, not everything they're going to say is going to gel with you. Take it all, throw some out. Whatever resonates with you guys, keep it. Whatever doesn't, exfoliate it. Alright guys? But get somebody who's already been through it. Alright? And it's the world of information, guys. If you don't have somebody locally, reach out. All my airbrush wielding warriors, you need a mentor. I am here for you. I accept the challenge. Alright guys, and with that, I'm gonna give you one last tip, and this has nothing to do with 5 things you need to succeed. It's the one thing that everybody believes an artist needs to succeed, but it's not true, guys. It's my biggest pet peeve, and it's personal. Talent. Alright guys, talent is a basketball player who was born with limbs that got him up to 6'5". He is going to be an amazing basketball player because he was born with the natural talent to be tall. Alright guys, nobody, no Michelangelo, no Leonardo, none of the greats were born with the ability to sling paint, guys. They put in the time, they put in the hours. I do not consider what I have to be a talent. I was not born with the ability to spray paint. Alright guys, you know me. I was born with the ability to drool. And I worked on everything else. Alright guys? So give it your all. Give it your best. Don't get discouraged. Be honest. Be faithful. Be persistent. And you too can be a master. Alright guys, and with that, I bid you adieu. Alright guys, as always, like, follow, subscribe. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Cheers. And for more airbrushing tutorials, lessons in life, possibly a chuckle, come check out my channel. And hey, my first ever speed painting is up and running. Check it out.